blue as I could be. In a little while, I began to smile when he sang this merry song to me. Just let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy, rainy day. And if you're a sweetie crying, just tell her that a smile will always stay. Whenever skies are gray, don't worry or fret. A smile will bring the sunshine and you'll never get wet. So let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy, rainy day. On a rainy day. Remember that a cheerful smile is always round the wind. Never pull a shade down when the sun wants to come in. A smile is just a flicker and it's always silver line. And if you wear it, you are sure to find that every raindrop soon becomes a little pearl of joy. And you'll keep going along just like a whistling barefoot boy. So pack up all your troubles in a great big purple bubble and blow, blow, blow them all away. Just let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy